I keep meeting love like a mist train, close enough to hear it breathe, far enough to never board. Timing laugh at me like it knows my name too well. I give soft hands to sharp people, build homes in hearts that were only ever passing through. They say you're good, just never go for them. Maybe I was reading in pencil, in stories inked too boldly, easy to erase, easy to forget. I love you. I whisper to someone already living, and even my words arrive too late. So I stand here again, holding flowers that never get taken, learning how to bloom with no one's watching.